The future is not something we enter into. It is something we create. There is no tablet that will give you prosperity. There's no medicine that will take you to the better future. You will never stumble into your future. The future is not something you enter into. It is something that you create. Listen to me. My life took a giant leap forward 20 years ago when I got the revelation of this. That your future is not a miracle or a mystery. It is a harvest of choices you make today. So if you make right choices today, let me tell you, you're going to harvest a bright future. You're going to harvest a better future. Can I make this statement to African people? Uguti, there is no oil that will give you a better future. There is no water that will give you a better future. There is no prophet that will ever give you a better future. There is no husband that will ever give you a better future. There is no sticker that you put on your car that will ever give you a better future. The future you created with your own hands. Listen to me, Africa. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Wake up.